Today, we'll be looking at your course navigation menu. That is this series of links here on the left. Your course navigation menu might look different than mine, but we'll be covering the most frequently used features. Up on top, we have Home. This is the first page you and your students will see when they open up the course. You can designate your home page by clicking Pages, finding a published page you would like to make your front page, clicking the three dots, and clicking Use as Front Page. We have Announcements. This is where you can share and store announcements for your class. Create a new announcement by clicking the blue Announcement button. We have Assignments. Here you can create an assignment by clicking the blue Assignment button. Discussions is the link where your class discussions take place. You can create a new one by clicking the blue Discussion button. Grades will take you to your gradebook. Often, when opening the gradebook, the course navigation menu will disappear to make room for the gradebook. You can bring it back by clicking the three lines up on top. People is a list of everyone connected to the class, both faculty and students. Pages are one of the basic units in a Canvas course. You can create a page by clicking the blue Page button. Files is where you can store your class files. This is best for smaller files like images, PDFs, etc. Storage space is limited, so it's recommended that you do not store videos here. You can do that in Studio, which we'll cover in a minute. We have Syllabus. Syllabus will take you to the page that you have designated as your syllabus. To create a syllabus, click Edit. This will open the rich text editor. You can either type a syllabus or upload a file. When done, click Update Syllabus. In Rubrics, you can store rubrics for your grading. To create a rubric, click the Add Rubric button. You can then name your rubric, edit the criteria, and create the grading scheme. When done, click Create Rubric. Quizzes is where your quizzes and tests will be made and stored. To create a quiz, click the blue Quiz button. Modules are the central organizing unit of a Canvas course. Here, you can create a new module by clicking the blue Module button, and then you can add pages, quizzes, discussions, assignments, and more to each module by clicking on the plus button on the module header. Item banks are storehouses for quiz questions. You can create a new item bank by clicking the blue Bank button. Studio is where your videos should be stored. A single video in Studio is allowed to be larger than your entire file storage space. This is why we recommend using Studio to store your videos. You can create or upload a video by clicking the blue Create button. This will give you the option of using Canvas's own Studio Capture software, of using Screencast-O-Matic, or of adding media, either by uploading a file from your computer or inserting a YouTube or Vimeo link. These last three, Banner Grade Exchange, New Analytics, and Census Access, are less commonly used, but are still important, so we'll talk more about those next week. You can rearrange, edit, and modify your course navigation menu by clicking on Settings. Click Navigation. There are two sections to the Navigation Settings page. The top section, which contains all of the items that will be visible in the course navigation menu, and the bottom section, where the items are hidden from the course navigation menu. You can move things back and forth by clicking and dragging. For instance, if I wanted attendance to be visible, I would remove it from the bottom section and move it to the top by clicking it and dragging. And if I wanted item banks to no longer be visible, I can click that, remove it from the top section, and move it to the bottom. When done, scroll to the bottom and click Save. As you can see, attendance is now visible and item banks has been removed. You can also create custom links in your navigation menu. To learn how to do that, see our video titled How to Customize Course Navigation. The link will be in the description to this video.